Some homes just feel easy the moment that you pull up, and this bungalow in Oakridge is that kind of place. What I love here is how open and functional this space is. Built in 2000, it's extensively renovated with a backyard oasis. It has a remodeled kitchen and a 1.5 car garage with a workshop. Perfect if you need extra storage or if you have some projects.
This 3+2 family home has a fully finished basement, great for teens, extended family, or guests.
Set on a quiet street in Oakridge, close to everything along Wonderland Road, this is the kind of home that just makes sense. Comment on the link below and we'll send you all the details.